In this video, we will learn how to connect a high-pressure needle air nozzle and how to use air assist. Prepare needle connection accessories and pliers. Bend the needle downward with pliers. Assemble the needle tube on the side of the module. Secure the 2 screws with an Allen wrench. Remove the air pipe connector. Connect the hose to the outlet of the solenoid valve. The other end of the hose is connected to the needle. Connect the 2-pin cable to the M8 port. Enable the M8 port in the light burn device settings. Turn on the air assist and air pump, and the high-pressure needle air nozzle will work during cutting. The high-pressure needle nozzle can use oil-containing and water-containing air sources as air assist. Through high-pressure air assist, when cutting wood or HDF boards, it can cut more efficiently and make the edges cleaner.